Hello roommates, welcome back to the Finable Consulting channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to create a product in Odoo step by step. If you are running a manufacturing or trading business, managing products in your system is essential. Odoo makes this process easy and flexible. Let's see how. For that, log in into your Odoo database. From Odoo dashboard, click on Inventory module, then click on Product tab, then click on New tab. Now it will ask you some basic detail of your product. Just enter the product name as wooden chair. Now enable the sales or purchase checkbox depending on the product will be sold or purchased. Now in general information, select the product type as goods, service or combo. Enable the track inventory. Select the invoicing policy such as ordered quantity or delivered quantity. Ordered quantity means invoice can be created after confirming the sales order, and delivered quantity means invoice can be created only after product is delivered. So here now I am selecting the delivered quantity. Enter the sales price of this product. Enter the cost price of this product. Select the unit of measure of this product. Then select the sales tax. Then select the purchase tax. Then if your product having such any barcodes or EN code, you can enter over here. And in HSN code, enter the proper HSN code of your product. And now after filling all the basic detail, click on the save option. That's it. You have created a product in your Odoo database easily. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have any question. Thank you. See you in the next video.